My viewers and my subscribers, how are you doing today? I hope all is well. God is good all the time. This morning now, I'm going to cook some chicken, some brown stew chicken, alright? Just brown stew chicken. And I have 2 corn I'm going to put in it, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I already washed and cut, alright? So I'm just show you I'm going to season my chicken, alright? Just a brown stew chicken this morning, okay? Alright, my viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching. This is my chicken, alright, all washed and everything. So I'm going to show you how I season my chicken. So this is my all-purpose Maggi all-purpose seasoning, alright, as you can see, and just a little chips of salt. Alright, not much this morning or today, alright. And I have here, I'm just going to cut up this piece of onion in it, alright. I don't have enough seasoning this today, so I'm just going to use this piece of onion with my seasoning salt. Alright, you can see me. Piece of pepper here. Alright. And my pot is there. So I'm preparing some lunch. And see? Just a little brown stew chicken this morning. I don't know what I'm going to put with it, but I'm showing you how I cook my chicken. Alright. So I have here a little browning. Alright, let me put some more. Browning is finished. Normally when your browning is finished, do you throw water in your bottle? I throw water in my bottle to make it finish out. Alright? So I'll brown stew it, give it a little color in my pot. Alright? So no big cooking this morning. Just a quick pot this morning. Alright? You can see just a quick pot. Hold it. I'm not seeing it properly. Can you see it? Alright, yes you can now. Alright. Alright, so just watch as I go. Alright, you can see my pot here. Just a little tips of oil like this. Because the chicken has it oil already. Alright. That's our pot. That's a little brown stew chicken this morning. See? I'm going to give it a little color there. Let's stay there until it's brown. You can see my chicken getting its color. Alright. And over here I have some corn here. I'm going to throw in it. Corns are very soft. Very soft. So I'm going to take some of this for my lunch today. let me know what to take for your lunch when you're going to work. Do you buy a lunch or do you cook your own lunch? It's best if you cook your own lunch. Make the time and cook your lunch. Don't say I don't have any time. You have to make the time to cook your lunch. Alright? So this is my brown stew chicken. Alright, so watch as I go. Alright, make the time and cook your lunch. Okay? Thanks for watching. Thanks again for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching also to my channel. And tell a friend to tell another friend, please, to subscribe to my channel. Alright? Brown stew chicken. That's it for the day. Brown stew chicken. Alright? Make a comment on my brown stew chicken. Alright? Okay, guys. See, my color is coming up. And you put your regular seasoning in it. Spice, whatever. Scallion, whatever. Alright, you just put it in here. But this is how I cook it. Sometimes I put more stuff in it, but because this is how I just want it today. Just brown stew. Okay, so watch as I cook. So I'm putting some water in it now. Alright. Okay. Guys, I'm just going to put a little bit of coconut milk in it. Just a little. I didn't plan to put any in it, but I changed my mind. So you can put some in yours also. See? Putting a little in there. It may change the color, but that's okay. It will get back to its regular browning color. Alright? See? Alright. It will get back to its regular brown color. Alright. You can see it. See the coconut milk in it. Alright. You can see my brown stew chicken now. To get back its real color. Alright. Alright. This is it, guys. My viewers and my subscribers. I'm going to put you can see, I'm going to put some warm water in it. Alright. So this will take like half an hour to cook. Or 35 minutes to cook. Alright. So this is my brown stew chicken. So I'm going to get my seasoning ready to put in. Alright. So you can see, it's getting there. Make sure you taste your pot. Alright. I'm going to put some sauce in it. You put whatever sauce you want to put in it, guys. Guys, I got a cut on my finger. It's taking something out of the fridge and something cut my finger, guys. This is my jerk sauce. I just put my jerk sauce in it. And I have some Diana sauce here. So you put whatever sauce you want to put in your chicken. You can see, this is my Diana sauce. Alright. Alright, I'm going to put some more water in it. Some more warm water in it. I was just taking something from the refrigerator and my finger got a cut. Alright, so I'm almost there though. I'm almost there. Look at it. I'm almost there. Alright. So in the next couple of minutes. I'm gonna get my I have a piece of skeleton, and so I'm gonna put in it. Here's my seasoning, not much. My seasoning is all finished. Alright, so I got to use what I have. So I'm almost there. All my seasonings are finished. So I'm almost there, guys. Almost there. Okay? I'm gonna put a little ketchup in it. Just a little. So you put whatever seasoning you want to put in it. Alright. You can make it spicy. And you can cut up carrots in it also. Any veggie, cabbage, anything you want to cut in it, you put in it. Just like how I put my corn in it, you can put any veggie in it. In your brown stew chicken. Alright. So watch as I go. Guys, I have some rosemary water here and cloves and thyme leaves. Alright, and I boil it and store it in the fridge. Alright. So this is almost there. Alright. And my viewers and my subscribers, this is my finished product. Alright, so you use whatever seasoning or whatever you want to put in it. So this is my finished brown stew chicken. Just brown stew chicken this time, nothing in it, just brown stew chicken. So you put whatever you want to put in it. Alright, love you guys, and you take care. Tell me if you like my brown stew chicken, or you can try it at home and let me know, or you can suggest something that I can cook for you. Okay, take care, love you, bye bye.